Hello, how are you today? I hope your day is going well. Today I'm going to be sharing a Stitch Fix with you. I don't do these very often on my channel because their clothing can be a little bit on the expensive side, and they usually have a $20 or maybe $25 styling fee that if you don't end up keeping anything, you lose that money. So there is a bit of risk involved typically, but I will say the items that I have kept from them are some of my favorite items that I wear over and over again. And they recently reached out to me to say that they're waiving the styling fee, and that's when I typically like to do these because then if I don't decide to keep anything, there's less risk for me. I don't lose that $20 to $25. So I haven't done one of these in over a year because they haven't offered that until now. But I thought I would take advantage. There was nothing super specific that I needed, but I did want to get some new black jeans because I do wear those often, especially for work and things. And my other jeans, you know, they get worn out over time, start to fade. So I did ask for those as well as some springy summery tops, possibly a workout outfit, one that's matching because I know they have workout clothes now as well. So I'm excited to see what they've sent. Hopefully the lighting in this video is okay because I'm using the natural light, figuring that would be the best way to show you the clothing. However, I'm noticing it changing as I'm standing here talking because it's gone behind a cloud, so it could be kind of a little bit all over the place, but hopefully you'll still be able to see and things will look okay. But let's see what I got in this fix. And hopefully I'll like some of the items, and I will link everything in the description box for you as I always do, but let's just jump right in. I did request no shoes and no purses, so we'll see what happens with that. And I don't want to sneak peek yet, and if you've never seen my other Stitch Fix videos, I will put a link to them down in the description box. They're in my unboxing playlist, but I will try to at least link the more recent ones for you. So starting off with this top I had seen, that's a very pretty sort of coral color top, and it's sleeveless. Looks like it's a little on the longer side, and I didn't know the back had this detailing as well, a bit of lace detailing. And then the front, of course, too, with the lace detailing and a little keyhole there. So that's the first item. Then we have a sports bra in this teal turquoise color. And I was kind of hoping for more of one that would come down a bit lower, like a more tank style to go with a matching bottom, but we will see. It does look like they put in the matching bottom, so we'll see how that works out. No pun intended. And these look like they're pants or capri bottoms. Oh, and then this is a denim skirt. However, the bottom is unfinished and a bit torn, and I'm not a fan of that look. I like things that aren't ripped and that look finished, so I'm probably not going to be a fan of this. If it had a seam at the bottom that was finished, I think I would like it better, but this style with the distressing, again, I'm not a fan of, so we will see. And then the thing I asked for, black jeans. And I do like the skinny fit because those are good for work, so of course I'm going to have to try all this on. But now let me see what the stylist said. And then you know it always comes down to pricing because I don't like to spend a ton on stuff. And in here, of course, they show you how you can style different outfits, including with past pieces that you've gotten. But hi, Erin. Happy Fix Day. I am Rachel, and I am so thrilled to be styling your 9th fix. I saw you had a chance to preview your items and picked a great top and some black skinny jeans, so I chose those jeans partly based on pricing compared to others, and then I did choose the corally top thinking I would like it. I saw from your feedback you were hoping for a matching workout set and some skirts for summer. And when I had said skirts, I was picturing more of a flowy floral print skirt, but I understand how that could get confused. I first chose this matching sports bra and legging set from our Stitch Fix exclusive brand We Wander in a fun teal green, as I noted you did not want black. I think it's a fun color for summer. I also wanted to include a fun summer skirt from Vineyard Vines in white that I think will match your Daniel Rain dark pink top, so that's the one I said is coral, for a complete summer look. Let me know how you like all the pieces and how everything fits. If you have any specific requests for next time or any summer events coming up at all, just let me know and we can get you styled. All the best, Rachel. All right, well, I guess it is try-on time, so I will be back. All right, the first thing I put on is the workout set. Now, I never come on camera and things like this, so this is a little bit different for me. But I will say it's not as bad as I thought, because I thought with the sports bra being shorter that it was going to be a lot more of a gap between these. But since these are kind of high-waist pants, it doesn't leave that much space. So as far as style goes, I do like that. However, they feel very tight. Both the pants and the bra feel very tight. I had a little bit of trouble getting them on, and I understand they're workout clothes and that they'll probably stretch and everything, but they do feel too tight. I think I might have to get a bit bigger size. Definitely in the top I'd need to get a bigger size, and the bottoms, I don't know if they would stretch out enough or not. Yeah, so it's medium top, medium sports bra, medium pants, which is surprising to me because I thought my sizes online were large, and I typically would do large for definitely the top, possibly the pants. And then, so just to show you, to give you a little bit better idea of the style, so the pants have pockets in the side here. I mean, it's nice to have pockets, but I don't know that I would ever use them in workout pants. The sports bra is $34 and the pants are $39. And I never spend that much on workout clothes because they get sweaty and worn out. And while they are cute, they still get sweaty and worn out. So I really don't like to spend that much money on workout clothes. I do like that it's a matching set. I would like to get a matching set, but I do think that's going to be too much for me to spend on workout clothes, and especially where they are not the right size. I mean, I could get a different size, but for that price, I think I will look elsewhere. Next, I've got on the black jeans with the corally colored top. I was really hopeful for the black jeans, as that's the item I requested and needed most. And they said ankle, so I thought I was going to be okay, but they are definitely not ankle on me. They are coming down too long and bunching at the bottom. And that's just not going to work for the way that I like to wear them, because I like to tuck them into boots or things like that, and I've got a lot of bunching at the bottom, like they're almost too long. So I'll try to show you that as best I can. Otherwise, the fit is really good down to about the knees. Then beyond that is when it starts to bunch, so I would definitely need more of a cropped style, I think, in order for them to fit correctly, because I don't think Stitch Fix does lengths. They have petite, but then that affects the rise, and those don't fit me correctly. So it's more, I need a short length. So these pants aren't going to work. They're going to be too long for me. As far as the top, I'll have to see the pricing. So just so you know, if I was to keep the pants, they are $54, which if they were a perfect fit, I would be okay with, but they're not, so I'm not going to be keeping them. This top is $64, which is quite steep for a top. And I find it interesting with Stitch Fix because I put in that I want as affordable items as possible, and the cheapest item they sent me is $34. Everything else is up. So to me, that's not super affordable, but maybe I have unrealistic expectations. I don't know, but $54 for jeans, $64 for a shirt, that's a lot to me. So I don't know. I'm going to try on the skirt with this top as well, even though I don't think I'll be keeping it. But I'll at least try it on for you. Now I've got the white skirt on, and it fits well, and I do like it with this top, but again, because of the distressing on the bottom, which I'm not a fan of, plus the fact of the cost of it and it's distressed, I just could never bring myself to buy it. One, because I can get a basic denim white skirt almost anywhere. I can get it without distressing, and they're charging $88 for this skirt. I know it's Vineyard Vines, which is a name brand, but I would never spend $88 on a denim skirt, let alone one that has an unfinished bottom. I can't wrap my head around that. And while I like the top, it's a nice kind of dress top, a little bit unique and different, I don't know that I can bring myself to spend $64 on one top. So I'm a bit disappointed because I have liked the things I've gotten from Stitch Fix in the past. I just wish their pricing was a little bit more reasonable. I know that they now have an option of freestyle where you can kind of just go on and buy stuff and pick out your own things, but I like the fact of somebody kind of, a stylist kind of picking out and putting things together for me. But unfortunately this time it just missed the mark for me a little bit in terms of the styles and the fits. It really was more fits than anything, especially with the pants. So I don't know that I'll be keeping anything from this fix, which is disappointing, but it at least gives me inspiration and ideas of things to look for when I'm either online shopping or out shopping, but I do typically shop more online a lot of the times just for time's sake and that sort of stuff. But I like the length on it too. It's not too short, but yeah, just cannot bring myself to spend those prices. So it's disappointing, but let me know what you think in the comments. Was there anything you saw that you think I should go back and try to purchase? What are your thoughts on the items and the pricing of them? Do you think I'm being unreasonable? Do you think those are good prices for these items? Or do you agree with me that it's a little bit steep? I'd love your feedback, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in this fix this time around, even though I'm more than likely not keeping anything, but I will update you in the description if that changes. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I hope you have a fabulous week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!